Hello, good people, beautiful people. Thank you for joining me again today on Victor Isibo Reviews. It's always a pleasure having you here. If you're a newbie, hit the red subscribe button below. If you're an old timer, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your support. God bless you. Oops, it's early in the morning. Let me have my usual water therapy. Okay, I hope you drink water every time you wake up in the morning. Wow, so refreshing. Right now in this video I want to talk about Bitcoin trading. Okay, so in this video I'm going to assume that you're not a crypto specialist. I'm going to assume that you're not a professional Bitcoin trader. I want to assume that you are a novice, but not a total novice who doesn't know anything about cryptocurrency. You know Bitcoin at least, okay? So I want to assume also that you have a Bitcoin wallet. If you don't, then you can always get a Bitcoin wallet. I recommend blockchain.info. You can go get your wallet from there, and also you can get Luno wallet. Luno is also very good. In fact, I recommend Luno as well. There you go, get Luno. Okay, now, so I was discussing with a friend of mine yesterday who's into Bitcoin trading. You know, I was asking him a few questions, and he just made a profit of about 100,000 naira from a few trades, and I was expecting something complex when I asked him how he goes about it, but it was rather simple. And I think anybody who is an enthusiast and really wants to give something a try can always do it, you know. And it's rather simplistic, and I have gone ahead to try it, and wow, it works. I've made some profit as well, so I decided to share it with you, my subscribers. So the basic thing, the first thing you need to do is have a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is where you can store your Bitcoin, and you know, like your bank. Okay, and I'm recommending Blockchain and Luno. You can Google them and you will see from the Google search results how you can get your wallet. I recommend Luno if you are a total novice to this. Okay, so go for Luno or maybe Blockchain. Okay, so now the idea is very simple. Bitcoin is very volatile. Volatility means it goes up in value and down in value several times in 1 hour. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Even in 10 minutes, it could be up and down, and it's just like that. So now, the first thing that you want to do is, when you see a chart for Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin chart, you know, set your timer to 24 hours. You want to know the level of fluctuations that Bitcoin has gone through in the last 24 hours. Now, for me, what I do is I try to note the lowest value Bitcoin has been in the last 24 hours. It's as simple as that. Just want to know the lowest value it has been in the last 24 hours. Then I check the current price. If it's somewhere close, then I look at the highest value it has been in the last 24 hours. I know there's a propensity for it to go as high as that again. I buy. Now, if you find this piece of information I just gave confusing, don't bother. Just buy Bitcoin. Don't bother. If you cannot look at a chart for the past 24 hours and see the lowest value it's been and the highest value it's been, the level of resistance and support, do not worry. I have not come to complicate things and use complex words for you, because I'm assuming you're a newbie. Now, forget what I just said. Just buy Bitcoin. At least you know the price value at which you bought Bitcoin. Then keep your eyes on the market to know if there is any increase, even if it's a marginal increase from the price value you bought, then you sell. That's simple. Even a 10-year-old would understand what I just said. You bought Bitcoin, for instance, at $1, and you check the market, it's now trading for $1.10. Sell. Now, it's a matter of volume. You may think 10 cents is small. It's a matter of volume. How many did you buy? Then when you sell, that profit is going to be multiplied by the number of units that you're selling. It's as simple as that, okay? So where can you trade Bitcoin? Okay, you have different crypto markets. Binance, their interface is very simple. Poloniex, their interface is very simple, okay? You can buy in that Binance or Poloniex, the market price is there. You buy the number of units you want to buy, you buy and you keep. You remain in the market and you'll be watching the trend. As soon as it goes above the level you bought from, click on sell and you sell. It's a large marketplace where people do a lot of buying and selling. You don't have any stress to buy or to sell. So it's just a click away. You buy at a particular unit, watch the market. If there's any marginal increase, you sell and you take your profit. Now, I talked about blockchain and Luno, and now I'm talking about Binance and Poloniex. Poloniex and Binance are the marketplace, okay, where you buy and sell Bitcoin. Now, when you've gotten your Bitcoins, it is not advisable to store your Bitcoin in an exchange wallet. Binance and Poloniex are exchanges. You don't store your Bitcoin there. After doing your trading, send your Bitcoin from there into your Luno or your blockchain. Okay, so now for newbies, I recommend Luno because as your wallet, you know, because Luno converts your cryptocurrency to fiat. What that means is that your crypto balance in Luno, you can cash it out and you get an alert of the equivalence in your local currency in your bank account. Yes, Luno does that. So whatever crypto you have in Luno, you can always monetize it, change it to fiat currency, and you get an alert in your bank account. So you can check out Luno on Google, and you get Luno. So now this is very simple. This is very simple. This is Bitcoin trading for dummies. Okay, buy Bitcoin. Trust me, it's going to go below the value you bought it at in 24 hours. And trust me, it's going to go above that value you bought it at within even 24 hours, and at the end of the day, you can sell and make some profit for yourself. I've tried it and it works, and I want you to try it, and I want to see your comments in the comment section below. It's not only Bitcoin, there's several cryptocurrencies. You have Ethereum, you have different ones that you can go into. You have Stellar. You have different ones that are very, very volatile, and you can make profits from the per second fluctuations of crypto. Now on Binance, on Poloniex, you find all those cryptos there where you can buy and at the end of the day sell. You have Electronium, you have different ones, okay? So but start with Bitcoin. When you start with Bitcoin, you can gradually scale up and test the waters with other cryptocurrencies. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. It's Victor Isibo once again. Drink water. Drink water is very important, guys.